Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. This simple adjustment can personalize your documents and save you time. First, open any Word document, whether it is a new blank one or an existing file. Then, look for the Home tab at the top of your screen. Within the Home tab, you will find a section labeled Font. To access the full font settings, click the tiny arrow icon located in the bottom right corner of the font group on the Home tab. A quick keyboard shortcut is to press Ctrl and D simultaneously. Either method will open a new window called the Font dialog box, which provides many options for customizing your text appearance. Inside the Font dialog box, you can now select your desired font, font style, and size. For example, you might choose Calibri Light at 11 points. Once you have made your selections, click the Set as Default button found in the bottom left of the window. A prompt will appear. Select the option to apply these changes to all documents based on the normal template. After confirming your choice, click OK to close the Font dialog box. To ensure your changes have been successfully applied, close Microsoft Word completely and then reopen it. When you create a new blank document, you should see your newly selected font, style, and size automatically applied. This ensures all future documents will start with your preferred settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.